You writing a thank you note?
Yeah.
Everybody's so quiet. And have a donut. Would you like a donut too, please? Take one home for your mom. And then there's Sarah, our alum. Hi, Sarah. Tuition Freedom Day.